Okay, so we got some money here, and we're at the Bitcoin ATM. All you got to do is just research a Bitcoin ATM on Google, and right now I'm just getting some Ethereum again. And yeah, you research a Bitcoin ATM on Google and figure out where your local Bitcoin ATM is. This one's called Instacoin. I've been using these Bitcoin ATMs for a while now. I rarely buy Bitcoin with credit cards. I usually just, dollar cost average into what I'm buying and just buy with cash at a Bitcoin ATM. So you just search on Google where Bitcoin ATM is, and then you could buy Ethereum from these things. Some of them, they have a multitude. Different ones have different coins on it, Maybe in this video I could show you the different coins that are on this one. But yeah, right now this is just another Ethereum purchase. I got about $1,000 Canadian here that we're converting into some Ethereum for some gas fees on Uniswap, so that when the time comes and the tokens that I mentioned go up in price, I could sell really quickly because I'll have my Ethereum ready and I have my plan ready. And yeah, but also I've been seeing some coins that are really undervalued that maybe I'll just scoop up a quick. I made some videos about it. You can check my other videos, but the main one I like is definitely Yearn Finance. So just to convert my Canadian money to Yearn Finance is something that I'm interested in. And yeah, even today it just went up 10%. So, but yeah, between Yearn Finance and Uni Dexbot, both of those are things that I'm looking into getting. So yeah, that's basically it. You just probably want to get $100 bills, so this goes a little faster than this. Oh no, that says 1 ETH right there. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. Basically, my whole philosophy is that Ethereum goes up in value more than Canadian dollars. So unless I have some bills to pay and I need to keep my cash in Canadian dollars, I'm switching it to Ethereum as soon as possible. And yeah, I think the Ethereum blockchain is way better than the Tron blockchain. The Tron blockchain, it doesn't really treat its users as well. You know what I mean? I think the limit on this machine is $1,000 per transaction. So I'm gonna try and max it out right now. But yeah, the Tron blockchain is a no-go. The only thing I like is T2X, and if T2X fails, it's over. But T2X has been doing pretty good. T2X, I'm getting like $600 a week passive income, but I had to put in like $4,000 American worth of Tron. So, but they recently had the XSwap hacked, and they returned everybody's money, so that's a good sign. And they fixed it, and the XSwap's back going, so that's a win for the T2X. But besides T2X, I would not recommend anything on the Tron blockchain. But definitely Ethereum. See, look, look. It says 880 Canadian dollars is the is the limit. So yeah, so if you like these type of videos, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Well, hold on a second. Okay, they got these different coins here. They got Bitcoin, they got Ethereum, they got Litecoin, and then they got some stable coins. And you can get it all from just the Bitcoin ATM. You download the Atomic wallet, you bring some cash here, and then you can buy any coins you want right here. These are the main ones: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. I recommend Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then maybe this one, DAI, is a good stable coin for yield farming. Okay, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.